Hello everybody, welcome back to Piedmont Lithium stock. So this is obviously PLL stock if you didn't already know, and this is a stock on lithium, which is something that is new to the channel. Technically it is kind of related to electric vehicle stocks for reasons which we're going to talk about in just a moment. First, let's have a look at the price action of the stock. So looking on the 1 day, we can see here that the stock is actually in the green. We had quite the spike on opening, it looks like, and ever since then really it's been quite stable. Looking out to 5 day, we can really see big gains on the stock. So we started off on the start of the week of around less than $30. Now we're looking at almost $50. Quite the gain indeed. Over a $10 gain it looks like on the past 5 days. Looking out to 1 month, you'll be able to see that the stock is really climbing. So we had points here where we're at $8.30 and now we're at $43. Quite the gain. Looking at a percentage, that's 291% so far. Looking at from the furthest point, it's almost 500%. Wow. This is a stock which a subscriber talked to me about in the Discord. If you don't really know about Discord, do go check it out. So it's basically a chat room where we talk about stocks and shares and loads of popular stocks which could shoot up in the future. Link will be in the description. And whilst you're here, please do subscribe. Like you already know, we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We're basically halfway there at this point. You guys are absolutely killing it. So if you could be one of those guys to subscribe to this channel, it's free. Other than that, the only thing that I require you to pay is pressing that little red subscribe button and helping out the channel in that way. So tonight we're going to be looking at predictions for lithium stock. And this is here. The three analysts offering a 12-month price forecast for Piedmont Lithium Stock Limited have a median target of $21.05 with a high estimate of $41 and a low estimate of $20. That is quite an interesting, analysis if you look at it, because when we look at that, it basically shows us that these people anticipate the price going down. So here this is CNN Business, if you didn't already know, money.cnn.com, that is the website link to it. We are up apparently 416% on the year to date, and the highest estimate is saying that we're going down 4%. I think that's very interesting, but with the way that this stock has actually spiked, it could be possible. You guys tell me what you think down in the comment section. So now let's look at what the company actually does. Should have probably talked about that before, sorry about that, but yeah. So here is the website for them. It's piedmontlithium.com, and of course you guys know I'm not the best at reading, but I'm going to give it a go and try and read it anyway. Piedmont Lithium is an emerging lithium chemicals company focused on developing its 100% owned lithium project, Piedmont Lithium project, in Northern California. Very interesting. So not to pain you anymore with that reading, but this is basically a company focused on developing lithium products. Now, why is that important? Well, lithium is actually something which is used in batteries. If you didn't already know, iPhone lithium ion battery. This is basically true for all batteries, or at least a lot of batteries, and this is no exception for cars, smartphones as well, and these are basically two markets which are emerging into the future: electric vehicles and mobile phones, as you guys know. So of course, let's have a look at the logic behind this. Now, I'm not saying who this company is supplying to. I'm not even going to try and explain the technology. You guys know that I can't even read, never mind tell you the technology. That is a joke, by the way. I can read. I'm just a bit pressured on camera. But yeah, we can imagine how this one is going to influence batteries in the future and why this stock has shot up. I mean, in my opinion, it has shot up a little bit too high, but let's just look at the future for this stock. Perhaps wait for it to drop, in my opinion, before buying on some more. We have an article on thefool.com, which is the Motley Fool, if you didn't already know, talking about why the stock has shot up. Of course, I'm not going to read that because, I'm not going to waste any of your time, but you can check that one out if you want to in your spare time. Link is obviously on screen right now at the top. But yeah, mobile phone sales are really shooting up to the future, and I think this one is mainly focusing on electric cars, and this is a market which is emerging. So I just gave you a quick little, first dive into this stock. We're going to be covering it more in the future, so I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like, and I will see you in the next one later on. Goodbye, thank you very much for your time.